Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the green screen overlay in CapCut. So here I've already have two clips, one with a green screen, and this is the video that I want to put later in the green screen. So here's what you guys need to do is remove or get rid of the green screen first by using the Chroma Key feature on CapCut. But first you need to click on the green screen video first and make it as overlay. So it will be on top of the clips that I want to add. And then after that, just find the chroma key option under the cutout feature here. Chroma key, and then just drag the color picker on the green screen and adjust the intensity and also shadow. Like this, so the green screen will be removed, and after that you can just adjust the clips that you want to add to the green screen. So I'm going to just drag it like this, and if you want you can also adjust the chroma key again, and this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.